My name's Luke Juergens, owner, director of Aerovation here in Bowen. How we come about is, like, my wife, she's a photographer by trade, and she was hiring another drone pilot to do some filming, and I was joking and said, I can do a better job than that. And then turned out we got a drone and I could fly a little bit better, and that's how we come about. For myself, I'm not a photo or film person. I researched a bit about how we could utilise drone technology in farming. So we tried all different softwares on how to utilise this one little camera drone and the capabilities of them. We didn't know what we were doing. And then that's when we come up with an idea as, how about release bugs from the drone, and that's how we started to get into the ag sector. With the technology, it is evolving so quickly. It's not just pilots we're going to need people to fix these drones. That's our biggest thing. Into the future, it's not just flying the drones, it's repairing them. It's like any technology. So we've partnered up with another company because we see there's a need up here as well. With the training, like I've done all my training in Brisbane, or I had to wait months for people to come up to either Mackay, Towns or wherever. So now we're going to be doing it locally with some of these. These things are just magic. You tell them how much to spray, where to spray, and it'll just do it. Yeah.